In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Claude Desktop App. If you've decided to remove the Claude Desktop App from your Windows PC, I will walk you through it clearly and safely so you know exactly what to expect. First, close Claude completely. If the window is open, quit it as you normally would. To be sure nothing is still running in the background, save any work and check the system tray near the clock to confirm here is no active Claude icon. For a thorough check, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC in the Processes tab. Look for anything named Claude. If you see it, select it and click End Task. When it's gone from the list, you are ready to uninstall without any hiccups caused by background processes. Next, open Windows Settings. The fastest way is pressing the Windows key and the letter I together. In Settings, go to Apps. On Windows 11, choose Installed Apps. On Windows 10, this page is called Apps and Features. This is the built fade-in place where Windows lets you remove programs cleanly. Now, in the search box on that page, type Claude. When the Claude app appears, select it. On Windows 11, click the three dots next to the app's name and choose Uninstall. On Windows 10, click the app once, and then click Uninstall. Windows will show a confirmation message approve it. If you are prompted by a security dialog asking to allow changes, choose Yes. The uninstaller will run and may take a minute. When it's finished, the entry for Claude should disappear from the Installed Apps or Apps and Features list, which confirms it has been removed. If the uninstall button is grayed out or you see a message that the app is still running, return to Task Manager and make sure all Claude processes are closed. Then try again. On managed work or school devices, you might need administrator permission to complete the removal, so check with your IT admin if you run into access issues. That's it. Thanks for watching.